Gaillardia pulchella, a showy and easy care wildflower for your garden. As a passionate gardener, I'm always on the lookout for vibrant and low-maintenance plants to add pops of color to my landscape. That's how I came across Gaillardia pulchella, also known as the firewheel or Indian blanket flower. This North American native quickly stole my heart with its cheerful daisy-like blooms and resilience. Since discovering this gem, I've been obsessed with learning everything there is to know about Gaillardia pulchella. Now, I want to share my newfound knowledge with you. In this article, we'll delve into the world of this captivating wildflower, exploring its characteristics, growing requirements, and how to incorporate it into your garden. See more 21 species in genus Gaillardia, blanket flower at monsteraholic.com. Gaillardia pulchella versus Aristata. I've found Gaillardia pulchella to be a vibrant, eye-catching plant with its bright, fiery colors that really pop in my garden, whereas Aristata's more subtle, delicate blooms give a softer, more refined look that complements a wider range of garden styles. How to grow Gaillardia pulchella? The beauty of Gaillardia pulchella lies in its ease of cultivation. Here's what you need to know to get these vibrant blooms thriving in your garden. Sunseeker, this wildflower is a sun worshipper. Choose a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil savvy, Gaillardia pulchella isn't picky about soil type as long as it's well drained. Sandy or loamy soils are ideal, but they can adapt to slightly less than perfect conditions too. Planting power, sow seeds directly outdoors in the early spring after the danger of frost has passed. Alternatively, you can start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost and transplant them outdoors when the seedlings are a few inches tall. Space plants about 12 to 18 inches apart to allow for proper growth. Watering wisdom, Gaillardia pulchella is drought tolerant once established. Water regularly during the first growing season, especially during periods of extended dryness. As the plant matures, watering can be reduced significantly. Feeding frenzy, while not strictly necessary, a light application of fertilizer in the spring can encourage bushier growth and even more blooms. Opt for a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength. Is Florida Gaillardia pulchella an annual? This is a question that often confuses gardeners, especially those in warmer climates like Florida. Gaillardia pulchella can exhibit both annual and short-lived perennial behavior depending on the climate and growing conditions. In cooler regions with distinct seasons, Gaillardia pulchella typically behaves as a short-lived perennial, returning year after year for 2 to 3 seasons. However, in warmer climates like Florida with mild winters, the plant might not survive the cold snaps and behave more like an annual. Florida tip: even if your Gaillardia pulchella doesn't return year after year, it readily self-seeds, ensuring a constant supply of vibrant blooms in your garden. Is Gaillardia pulchella edible? While Gaillardia pulchella has a beautiful appearance, it's best to admire it from afar rather than ingest it. The plant is not considered poisonous, but the leaves and flowers have a bitter taste and are not recommended for consumption. Bringing the firewheel to life, additional care tips. Deadheading delights: to encourage continuous blooming throughout the season, deadhead spent flowers regularly. Simply snip off the wilted flower heads just below the base to promote new flower production. Winter woes: in colder climates, you can protect your Gaillardia pulchella plants by mulching around the base with shredded leaves or straw before the first frost. Pest pals, or not, Gaillardia pulchella is generally resistant to pests and diseases. However, keep an eye out for occasional issues like powdery mildew or leaf spot. These can be controlled with organic fungicides if necessary. What to plant with Gaillardia pulchella? This versatile wildflower plays well with others. Here are some ideas for creating a vibrant display in your garden. Butterfly beauties: attract butterflies with companion plants like butterfly milkweed, lavender, and echinacea. Color coordinators: create a stunning color contrast by planting Gaillardia pulchella with blue or purple flowering plants like salvia or catmint. Grassy grace: for a textural contrast, pair your Gaillardia pulchella with ornamental grasses like feather reed grass or blue grama grass. Gaillardia pulchella, a gardener's delight. With its vibrant blooms, easygoing nature, and long blooming season, Gaillardia pulchella is a true gem for any garden. So, why not add a touch of firewheel magic to your landscape and enjoy the beauty of this captivating wildflower?